What's up, guys? Today we're going to be recording some cooking madness. I just sounded like a freaking bot. Okay, anyways, I'm just saying. So my other video about War Thunder wasn't the greatest. I didn't even play anything, which was the worst part. But maybe I might be able to play something. Maybe. I bet. Let me cook, guys. Let me cook. I bet. Oh, freak! Oh wait, actually, it wasn't that bad. Oh come on. Oh shit! Oh crap! Oh shoot, he's losing patience, guys. He's losing patience. Oh crap, guys. He's losing patience. Oh no! I'm cooked! Oh shoot! Oh no! Oh please! Oh shoot! Holy crap! Oh thank you, Lord. Okay. Oh, take it! Ah! Ah! Thank the Lord. Yeah. Okay, that was actually kind of good, guys. Let's go! We finally leveled up in this game. Let's freaking go, guys. Yes, sir. We're hydrated. Okay. So, it's nothing really that bad. Oh my days, why is it so freaking cold in here? Okay. So, see with this then. Recommended. I don't freaking got it! You know what's wrong? No! Get out! Ooh, new area! Can I interact with these people? Oh, if I didn't tell you guys, I had done progress, but I just stopped at because I got bored of this game. But I'm back, baby. This shit is okay. Don't like that, you know? Please tell me you're not gonna. Oh, come on, get this off the old man! Okay, anyway. Oh, shit. Oh, God! You didn't even show me that guy yet! Oh, come on, cooked! I'm cooked, y'all! I'm cooked! Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot, I'm good. I'm trying late. I actually. Oh, freak! Oh my days! Let's go! I'm the go! I'm actually the go, guys. Oh my days! I am the Skibidi. I am the Skibidi Sigma. I am the Hamburger Master. Let's freaking go! I am the Hamburger Master. Let's freaking go! Really? Mad from celebrating? And it's a freaking store simulator. Freak you, Ching Chong girl. Okay, I'm sorry for being wasted that time, bro. I'm actually so sorry. Okay, anyways, Oh, good combo. Use a combos or freeze account to guarantee your max combos. Play. Okay, it's gonna be the last one because I gotta see what my dad's trying to do. Bro, dang, bro's a big back. Dang, bro. Didn't know I was serving queso. No, queso was rolling off. I bet, y'all. Let me cook. I bet. Oh, yeah. You like it, huh? Oh, yeah. Suck my. She's ready. Oh, come on! Somebody please take a hamburger. Like, a little more. I bet. Yes, sir! That's what I'm talking about! That was splitting out, bro. Be careful. Okay. Do that. Well, I'll just have to start working more. Oh, come on, man. Can't you wait a little longer? Let's freaking go. I'm the top G, yo. He's like, yeah, you big back. Okay, jump on that. Freaking go, yo. What a 50 seconds? What? Oh, thank the Lord. Skip that at. I bet. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's it. I think that's gonna be all, y'all. That's not sorry. Anyways, that's gonna be it. But yeah, let's go.